Thank you very much, guys, for tuning in to my studio, my channel. Wherever you are, I hope this finds you well. My name is Peter from Sun Channel. So today is a very good day. So even if it's been snowing outside, but I can't complain. This year in the United States, a lot of people are doing taxes. Some have got their tax refund, and some are anticipating getting that. Between January to April 15, that's when we have the deadline to file your taxes. We have business people who get a 1099, self-employed, and some are working for the state and other companies where they get W-2 forms. But the purpose of this video today is to remind you, as soon as you get your refund, there are some of the things which I'm going to talk about, the tips on how the smartest way you are going to use to spend this money. First of all, I'm not a financial analyst or advisor. I have some knowledge in accounting and finance, and that's what I'm going to use to give tips on. But I don't do these videos for money. I only to advise my followers and whoever visitor who would like to come across my channel. But before I start, if you are new, please do the right thing. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and share if you think you like the content. So without any further ado, let me get started. So today's question: what is the smartest thing you can do with a tax refund? Once you get a refund, what is the smartest thing you think you're gonna do? So I have about 8 tips I'm going to share with you today, guys. And the first one is to make sure you build or replenish your emergency savings fund. If you do have an emergency savings fund, if you have been using it for the last 2 years or 1 year, please, I advise you to top it up. If you don't have one, you can establish one. Call your financial advisor and talk to them on how to establish an emergency savings fund. These are some of the funds which you may need if somebody falls sick, or if you get a very, very, very needy financial problem. The second thing is to pay down your student loans. If you went to school, you took, like, for example, a federal loan, and then you complete the school, you're not working, you are paying every month. So the money you get from the tax return, recommending that you pay down those student loans. The next point is to boost your retirement savings. If you have one, and you are contributing, let's say monthly, some money is coming out of your paycheck going there. So by the time you retire, you will find money to use at your retirement age. So use that money, invest it now in your retirement savings, because you will not need it later. Also, you would like to invest in different funds. Talk to your financial advisor and ask them which funds are appropriate for you at this time to kind of diversify your portfolio. Don't put all the eggs in one basket. That's the concept I learned when I was doing my accounting and finance. Contribute to your child's school college fund. If you have children and you don't have a college fund set up for them, talk to your financial advisor. They can advise you on how to set it up. So by the time your child is gonna reach the age of going to college, you will find that they have money set aside for your kids to go to school. Since you have this tax money coming in, think about that and slice some of it to contribute towards your child's college fund. I think that's a smart thing to do. Pay down your credit cards. A lot of people have so many credit cards. I had a friend when I was working one job. The friend had like 10 credit cards, and I wondered how and why are they having so many credit cards. But if you do have credit cards, make sure you clear the debts and use this money which you have at hand to clear some of the debts. If you have car loans, use that money to pay some of it. If you can't pay it off, you will be saving a lot of money. If you own a house, you own a home, my advice is to use that some of that money for the home improvement. For example, if you have a basement which is unfinished, you can use some of this money to go hire a contractor, buy materials, and finish the basement. If you finish the basement or another room which is existing in your home, you improve it. That's adding to the value of your home. That's equity adding to it. At some point, if you decide to sell it, you will be having, you'll be making more money, and you will see it paying it off. And that's the home improvement. And lastly but not least, if you are planning to buy a home, first-time home buyers, this is some of the money which you need to save to go and put towards the down payment when you are buying your home. However little it will be, at least it's something. So think about if you have a plan of buying a home in the near future or pretty soon. If not, and if you are a college student or if you are working but you haven't bought your first home, you're going to need an apartment. Use some of the money to pay for the apartment, save for the apartment, and from there you will find that you have done the smartest thing with your money, with your tax income return, the tax dollars. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. If you know there's somebody who might benefit, who has received a refund or is going to receive a tax refund, tell them to watch this video. This video is for them. Recommend the video for them. And if you can do me a favor before you exit, guys, let me know how this content is going to help you. If you think it's going to help you, put it in the comment section. Like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please join the team. Subscribe to my channel so you can help my channel to grow. I thank you so much, and I hope you learned a thing or two, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye bye.